Hello YouTubers, this video is about a air purifier, specifically the Coway Airmega 400. This is the 400, not the 400S, nor the 300 or 300S. This is the 400. To go into a little specifications about this specific one, this one, the 400, and also the 400S cover a up to 1,500, a little over 1,500 square feet of space, open space. The difference between the 400 and the 400S is that the 400S has Wi-Fi capabilities. This one does not. You know, the Wi-Fi capabilities include, you know, being able to control, you know, on and off functions, filters, checking the, you know, the status of the filters, see, you know, when the filters need to be changed, just different stuff like that. Not very much. I mean, it's a convenience, but not a huge convenience. Also the same for the 300 and 300S, except for those are smaller. The 300 and 300S are smaller. They cover a little over 1,200 square feet of open space. And the same thing applies for the S in the 300s, you know, Wi-Fi capabilities. So, also, with this one, I would say that as far as dimensions, it's about a little less than 2 feet tall, a little less than 2 feet wide. Width, I'm sorry, not 2 feet wide, a little less than 2 feet wide, a little more than 1 foot wide, a little more than 1 foot in width and depth. So it's somewhat on the big side, but not just very spacious. You know, I would say it's about the size of a soundbar subwoofer speaker, if I had to compare it to something. So that is about all I can think of as far as the specifications. Yeah, so I just got it in today and ordered from Amazon. Took about, I don't know, 2 days. I ordered it, I don't know what, Thursday, Friday. Got here on Sunday. So this is the box. Just got it in probably about an hour ago, so I haven't really even tested it out. When you open the box, it basically shows you, you know, what to do. You got the plastics. It comes with all kind of plastics around it, so you remove the plastics. Also the filters and all that stuff. But I'll show you that stuff after this. Yeah, it comes with the manual, user guide. Let's see the user guide, certificate of performance, production registration, a whole bunch of trash. Yeah, this is the plastic that was on it and over it. That's the inside. That's the bottom piece, top piece, all of that good stuff. Close this back up. Oops, sorry. And so, with that being said, let's get to it. So, to start off, when you open it and, you know, get it out and get it, you know, running and all of that stuff, you definitely want to do this. The side panels, you got one on the left side and also one on the right side. These side panels are magnetized, so you just kind of pull it, set it to the side. So you got your first filter, which has these 2 tabs. Just pull them down just a little bit and remove it, set it to the side. And when you get it in the box brand new, these filters, you can say activated carbon filter, green true HEPA filter up to 99.97 particle removal, more 99% gas removal. So yeah, these come wrapped in plastic, so you just can't take it out the box and just start using it. These come wrapped in plastic. These let you know that, you know, you're putting it the right way. It says front, so the front will be facing you. So yeah, you just remove these, take the plastic off of them, and reinsert it. This is the tab, you know, to remove them. And then, make sure it's in there good. And this is the other filter, the large particle filter. Oh, you know what? I'm putting it in wrong. Turn it around. So you just snaps, and then you got these little hooks right here that go at the bottom. And it just clicks back together. Like I said, it's magnetized, so it's pretty easy. I don't think you can break it unless you're just really heavy-handed. But yeah, same on this side. So yeah, you got that. Okay, and then also for the top, you can also remove this fan shroud, whatever, by looking at these dots. These 2 dots mean that it's lined up. If you kind of give it a nice little push with your thumb to the left, counterclockwise, you can see that it's no longer lined up with that, which means that you can take it off. And if you look off in there, there's a little fan and also, you know, a little filter. You can dust off in case, large dust particles get off in there. Same thing for this. Probably can wash it off, dry it off, and then reinsert it. And when you reinsert this, just make sure this dot is between these 2 dots, and, you know, make sure it's flat, and it'll just flat and fall off in there. See how it's just kind of moving. Now you want to pull it with your thumb, clockwise, and it'll just click off in there. So that's that part. So right here we have the time settings, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour. So you know, you can set it for whatever you want. With the 400S and the 300S, I believe on this side there will also be, you know, a Wi-Fi connectivity light, you know, letting you know that, you know, it's connected or it's not connected or whatever. You have right here the things for the filters. Sorry, the filters. You know, you just hold these. You know, once you get new filters, you just hold these and it resets for the filters. The filters are good from what I was told, up to, well, at least about 6 months, 6 to 10 months. So over here, you have the smart feature, which the smart feature is for, I guess it has, you know, sensors. So it will sense, like, you know, for example, if you start cooking and it sense, you know, smoke, it will automatically turn on and, you know, filter the air. The moon sleep feature, that is for, you know, maybe at night you don't want to hear it, but you want to filter your air. That is, you know, so that it, you know, it runs pretty quiet, and it does run pretty quiet. I'll let you see it here in a minute. And then these next three are speed settings. So we're going to turn it on, and you have settings. I don't know, you probably could hear it when it first came on, but you probably can't even hear it now. Like, it is on, as you can tell by the lights, and it's running. It's actually running at a very low speed for you know, to conserve energy. And also, that's what the smart feature is for, is conserving energy, you know, on a need to use, you know, basis. This right here, these lights will tell you the air quality inside your homes or any whatever space you have it in. So this means that the blue purplish means that air quality is great. Red pinkish means that it's very poor. I believe green means that it's fair. So yeah, it will tell you as soon as you start it up, you know, what kind of air quality you're working with. So let's pull it out and turn this thing around. It's pretty nice. They have this is the graphite. It also comes in a white, but I got graphite, you know, due to the fact that I have dark colored furniture. So I figured, you know, getting white, of course, it's gonna stand out. I don't want it to stand out. I kind of want it to look like it's a part of the furniture, you know, that I have in my house. So yeah, this is graphite. And actually, I believe that white is actually a little bit more than graphite, or at least on Amazon. So yeah, I believe that just about concludes, you know, the review for the Coway Airmega 400. So I'm gonna turn it off, and for those who don't know, you just can't touch it. You just can't touch it and turn it off. You have to touch and hold. And that's the Coway Airmega 400S. Thank you guys. See you later.